Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to open the Turn Off the Lights options page in the Safari web browser. Whether you want to customize the dimming effect, change themes, or adjust your favorite settings, these methods will get you there in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open Safari and look at the toolbar. Next, right-click the Turn Off the Lights lamp button or press and hold the lamp button. A context menu will appear. Click Options to open the Turn Off the Lights options page. Now the Turn Off the Lights page show up. Option 2. If you're on a website, double-click the Turn Off the Lights lamp button. The mini settings panel will appear. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see the Options button. Click it to open the Turn Off the Lights options page. Option 3. With Safari open, click Safari in the Apple menu bar, then select Settings. When the Safari settings window appears, click the Extensions tab. You'll see a list of all your installed Safari extensions. Select Turn Off the Lights, then click the Settings button. This will open the Turn Off the Lights options page. I hope this quick tutorial helped. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future Turn Off the Lights tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.